Before you buy the Seek thermal shot, I have to tell you the biggest problems I found with this high-resolution thermal camera. But here's what surprised me. The image quality is amazing, but the user experience can be a nightmare. Therefore, this honest review will save you from a costly mistake or confirm your perfect purchase. For the best price, click the link in the description. Welcome to the real world of thermal imaging. You're here because you need a tool, not a toy. You need to find leaks, inspect electrical panels, or diagnose HVAC issues. The Seek thermal shot promises to be that tool. It boasts 206,400 pixels, which is 6 times higher resolution than many competitors under $1,000. That's a huge specific promise, but can it actually deliver on the job? Let's find out. First, the hardware feels solid. The ruggedized, pocket-sized design is good. The 3.5-inch color touchscreen is vibrant and responsive. It feels like a premium device. However, the first joke about this camera is that its built-in mount is less for tackling tough jobs and more for tackling your patience while you try to attach it to anything. It's fiddly. Now the core feature, thermal imaging. The resolution is legitimately impressive. You can see details clearly. The on-device analysis tools are powerful. You can add multiple spot measurements, draw temperature boxes, and switch color palettes right on the screen. That's valuable. But here's the first major problem: the interface. It's not intuitive. It feels like they packed in features but forgot to design a smooth way to use them. I spent more time fumbling through menus than analyzing. That kills the on-the-spot report promise. Another awesome feature is Seek Fusion. This blends a visible light image with the thermal image. You can adjust the blend to see problems hidden behind surfaces. It's a fantastic concept. Therefore, you think it'll be a game changer. But the execution, let's call it Seek confusion. The alignment is often off and the process isn't seamless. It's more of a science project than a field tool. Joke number 2. Using Seek Fusion feels like trying to see a hidden problem while wearing one thermal glasses and one regular glasses. You get the idea, but your brain hurts. So, you have a powerful sensor and clever features, but the software holding it together is shaky. This creates a tension, incredible potential hampered by frustrating usability. Therefore, your workflow slows down. Is that a deal breaker? Let's dig deeper into the daily grind. The live streaming over Wi-Fi to a smartphone is a key selling point. It lets you view the thermal image on a larger tablet screen. That's great for team inspections. However, the connection is notoriously unreliable. It drops. It lags. It sometimes just refuses to connect. In a challenging environment, you need reliability. This feature becomes a source of challenge itself. Battery life is another consideration. It's decent but not exceptional. For long field days, you might need a power bank. That's manageable. But combined with the Wi-Fi issues and clunky interface, the little annoyances start to stack up. They add friction to every use. Therefore, the tool that should make you faster and more accurate can instead make you slower and more frustrated. Let's talk about the Amazon rating. It's 4.1 stars. That's pretty good. But reading the top reviews reveals the split personality of this product. Many praise the image quality, which is deserved. Others highlight the software glitches, Wi-Fi problems, and complex controls. This divide is exactly what we're exploring. So, who is this camera actually for? If you are a professional who needs the highest resolution in this price range, and you have the patience to learn a cumbersome system, it could be worth it. The image data you get is top tier. But if you need a quick, intuitive, reliable tool for daily inspections, you might be better served by a less powerful but more polished competitor. That's the contrarian snapback. Sometimes more pixels mean more problems. Joke number 3. Using the Seek thermal shot on a hectic job site is like having a Formula One engine in a car with bicycle handlebars. The power is there, but steering it is a wild ride. We've covered the hardware pros and the software cons. Now, let's resolve the big question. Should you buy it? The answer isn't a simple yes or no. It's a conditional yes. Therefore, consider your priorities. Is ultimate image detail your number one goal? Then this might be your camera. But is smooth operation and reliability your number one goal? Then you should look elsewhere. Think about the value of time. The Seek Shot can save you time with its detailed images, showing you exactly where a hot spot is. But it can waste your time with its finicky operation. Therefore, calculate your own time-cost equation. For some, the trade-off is acceptable. For others, it's a deal-breaker. Let's not forget the price. It's positioned as the most advanced thermal camera under $1,000. That's a strong claim, but advanced can mean complex. You are getting cutting-edge thermal resolution for that money. However, you are also getting a beta test level user experience. Is that a fair trade? Only you can decide. Joke number 4. Buying the Seek Thermal Shot feels like ordering a gourmet 5-course meal and then having to cook each course yourself in a kitchen you don't understand. The ingredients are fantastic, but the meal is stressful. To wrap up, the Seek Thermal Shot is a paradox. It's a hardware marvel paired with software that hasn't caught up. Its images can diagnose problems with incredible accuracy, but its operation can create new problems of frustration. Therefore, my final recommendation is this. If you are a tech-savvy professional who values pixel count above all else, and you're willing to work through the quirks, go for it. The link for the best price on Amazon is in the description below. But if you need a tool that works as smoothly as it performs, this might not be your shot. Look for options with slightly lower resolution but much higher usability. Your workflow will thank you. Ultimately, this honest review aimed to show you both sides of this advanced thermal camera. The promise is real. The problems are also real. Therefore, your buying decision should be based on which reality matters more to your work. For the best price and to check current ratings on the Seek Thermal Shot, click the link in the description now.